Yo, what is up guys? Lublade here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a workout with you guys. Mostly I don't do workouts, but today I'm going to do a workout because I mostly do CrossFit and basketball. Those are the two things I'll be doing, and workouts with you guys like just now. Okay, so the workout today is going to be 5, so this workout is just for the mornings only. So when you just wake up, I'm gonna say at like 10 is a good time to do this. The workout will be 5 pull-ups, or if you don't have a bar at home like I do, you see like I have a pull-up bar. If you don't have one at home, then just do 7 push-ups, and if you don't feel normal with that, then just do 7. Just do that 7, and then after the 5 pull-ups or 7 push-ups, you're gonna do a 20-second plank. And then for the next thing you're gonna do is 10 sit-ups and 10 air squats. This is just for kids like me. I recommend you do 4 or 3 rounds. It's up to you. I'll go for like 3 or 4 because I'm doing pull-ups. If you're gonna do pull-ups, I recommend you do 3 because you're gonna be like really tired, and you want to save up the energy for the pull-up bar to get them gains. 4 rounds. I mean, if you want to push yourself every single morning, fine with that. Just do your thing and we'll get working out. Alright guys, we're starting in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go. Here we go. If you're not doing pull-ups, do 7 push-ups or 5. It's up to you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Okay. Okay guys, 20-second plank hold. 20 seconds we'll be doing this. From like this, have your butt low, look straight, have your arms forward. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Let's stay back to keep up. I'm losing myself. Alright guys, we just finished the plank. Now we're just gonna do 10 sit-ups. So let's do that. So just in case if you forgot how to do one, you're gonna touch back. So like this, back here, and then forward with your hands. So you gotta do 10 of those. So let's go. I'm losing myself with your love. With your love, I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Alright guys, this one I'm just gonna go easy on you guys. I'm just taking you through a loop. Now it's 10 air squats. So let's just do 10 air squats. I'm gonna show you guys how to do air squats in case if you don't. This is what you're gonna do. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna bend like this. So you're gonna go down about right here. You have to have it after where your butt is, so like this. And then, so that's 1. So we have to do 10 of those, so let's do that. So, again, you have to have your thighs. I'm sorry, I'm not saying this again, I forgot to say this. You have to have your thighs below your legs, so like this. 1, okay? Okay, we're gonna start 10 and 3, 2, 1, begin. Alright guys, so we just finished. That was just a warm-up around what I was telling you. Okay, now we're gonna get to the real workout, and you guys are gonna go through the workout with me. So we're gonna do, I just changed my mind. that warm-up round, that counted as 4. So in case if you want to, you can still just do 2, but I'm gonna go for 3. I'm gonna go 3 pull-ups, 3 rounds, 5 pull-ups. If you can't do pull-ups or if you don't have one, just do 7 push-ups or 5, it's up to you. Then you're gonna do 20-second plank hold. Then you're gonna do 10 sit-ups and 10 air squats. Okay, so we're just gonna start. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Make sure to pause the video if you need water. Don't worry, I have the same feeling as you. All right, so non-stop, here we go. Okay, so 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to.
Alright guys, how about you? I finished round 1 out of 3. 2 more rounds for me. Okay. Finishing a plank. Here we go. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, 10 more seconds, let's go, come on, come on. Alright guys, I'm done with my plank. If you're still with me or you're just going with me, that's perfectly fine. Alright, 10 sit-ups, here we go. Alright, 10 air squats, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Alright, guys. For me, this is my last round. If you guys are still with me, that's perfectly fine. Just keep on crushing it. guys, push 2. Come on, come on. This is the last round. If you guys stay. Alright guys, okay, 20-second plank. Here, let me rush this one. Please have good form. 3, 2, 1, go. Love your butt. Remember, not like this, not go downward dog. Here we go.
We flow through mountaintops, we grow now, we won't stop. Face death out of breath, so close, almost. See the morning light, sun is out, we will be fine. So why won't we take time to listen carefully?
That's 20 seconds, and we got sit up. So let's do it. Then you guys end it. Come on, come on. Let's go, come on. Crush it. Let's go, ready? Let's go guys, come on. Okay guys, we finished. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and please have notifications on. It was a really fun workout, guys. It's a really good workout in the morning just to get your veins pumping and just to wake you up, you know, because you just woke up. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll post some workouts for you guys if you guys are needing help with losing fat, calories. I'll help you with that if you need cardio. Remember, you could also search up other creators. I'm fine if you don't use me. Don't worry, guys. I'm still out there for you guys if you guys need me. I hope this video can help a lot of you guys. And peace. Bye, doggies.